Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Shikha Chaudhary and this is video lecture of Maths for class 2nd, chapter 10, Shapes and Patterns. Now, see this mind map. In this chapter, we will cover three main topics: lines, shapes and patterns. And today we will cover first main topic, that is lines, in which we will learn about straight lines and curved lines. There are three types of straight lines: horizontal lines, vertical lines and slanting lines. Objectives of this topic are: students will be able to differentiate between straight lines and curved lines. They will be able to recognize that curved lines are made from straight line segments. They will be able to draw a simple straight and curved still life objects, for example, clocks, bangles, matchstick, pencil, etc. Students will be able to draw straight and curved lines. They will be able to use these lines for decoration. Students, do you know what is straight line? A straight line is something with lines that do not wave or curve. Or we can say a line that does not curve. Now, look around your house. Which things you can see? Bed, almirah, window, door. These all things are made from straight lines. See some more examples. See this postcard. Edges of the postcard are straight lines. See this road. This is a straight road. Now you can do a small activity. Take a string, hold tightly in your hands, as you can see in the picture. String held tight forms a straight line. Students, to draw a straight line on your notebook, you need a ruler to draw a straight line. There are three types of straight lines. First, we will look at horizontal line. It looks like a rising or like a tightrope of an acrobat. Now this is a vertical line. Vertical lines look like trunk of these palm trees or like this microphone stand. This is a slanting line. Slanting line looks like this slide or like this skateboarding ramp. Can you identify the horizontal, vertical and slanting lines in the following figure? Look at these lines. These are horizontal lines. So we will write here H. Now look at these lines. These are vertical lines. So we will write here V. And in the middle, this is slanting line. So we will write here S. Students, do you know what is a curved line? A line that is not straight is a curved line. Now look around your house. Which things you can see? Yes, clock, vase, pot. These all things are made from curved lines. See some more example. Edge of this frock is a curved line. And this is a curved road. Now you can do a small activity. Take a string hold loose in your hands, as you can see in the picture. String held loose forms a curved line. Now see this figure. Identify the curved lines. Each line on which we have written C are the curved lines. Okay students, I hope you all enjoyed and understood the concept. Take care and thanks for watching.